How to join Endgame Discord server fast and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to join Endgame Discord server fast and easy. So to get started, go ahead and open Discord into your device. So you can do this both on the mobile app, PC app, and the web. So to do that, you need to go ahead and click on this discover button at the left side of your screen. So that will take you into the section. So in here, you can go ahead and search for Ink Game Discord server. So simply search for Int Game in here. And if you don't find one, what you'll need to do is to look for the invite link to Int Game. So as you can see on the results, these are just several different Int Game Discord servers. So you need to paste the invite link on a new tab, and then once you're in here, you need to go ahead and click on this accept invite button to join this. So let's try to search for that specific Discord server on the discover section. So it was Int Game The Great Recovery. So if that doesn't come up on your results, that means that you need to go ahead and look for an invite link for that specific server. So let's simply click on this accept invite button for that Discord server to join the Int Game Discord server. And then once you're in, you need to go ahead and start setting up, and then after that you're good to go on chatting on the Endgame Discord server. So this is the Endgame Discord server, and that is how you can basically join Endgame Discord server fast and easy.